Hello everyone. In this brief tutorial I will explain how you can create this color palitra widget and change dynamically the color of the character. It's just an example. Like we can pass it red color, purple and other colors in the runtime. And it works fully in blueprints. And sponsor of the video is my small company website where I'm showing what the project we made in the different platforms, what we can develop also for you, unique projects, or we can handle part of the work of your project to help you make it better. Here is an examples what we made previously in AR, VR, PC and different other platforms. And here we also have a portfolio to check more products. It's now Touch Manager with the documentation about it. Services also what we can provide. Okay, let's start. I'm using Unreal 5.5 project and I already imported the texture here for Palitra. You can also download it at my Patreon page. It's free. And if you want to support me, you can also download fully project at the Patreon page. So let's start from the beginning and let's create our widget. Name it widget blueprint color palitra. And let's set it here the custom size for 300. And here let's add the canvas. And also we need to add image. And let's set here our new custom image. It will be faster, I think, if I will just select it and pass here. Great, we have it. Now let's move to the event graph here. And we need to use event tick, but you can optimize, it's only a showcase. So when we drag and drop our image and check is hovered, and let's add branch here and connect. And now we need to create also another widget, not widget, event. And name it on color touch and call it here. So when we hover at the image with our mouse, we will call this event here. And another what we need to make. So let's open our character and let's find the materials. So we need to take a parent material here and check here is the color when we have base color. So here we need to add basically, and for that we need to add a custom color. So I'm pressing 3 and holding, and now I'm pressing left click to add node, just 3 and left click. Here we can convert to parameter and name it like base color, I think. So base color and just add it here and check if it works how stable. Yeah, nothing changed here. So after that we need to create interface because I don't like to make a cast to in blueprints and have a hard reference all of the time. So let's take and create the blueprint. Name it blueprint interface player. And here we can set like change color. It will be interface, but also we need to add a parameter for vector to have 3 values, and for color, and just name it color. Save it, and we can now close it. And in the character we need to add this interface, blueprint interface player. So here we can add the interface to be able to change the character with our skeleton mesh, but we will do it a little bit later. But before, also we need to add in the character, we don't have begin play, so let's create one, and let's create a widget. Create widget. Our palitra. Let's add the viewport. You can also save your reference and remove it where you need it, or play animations. I'm just showing the basic. You can improve it wherever you want. And also from here will be good to have a mouse to be able to see mouse at the game. Get player controller and show mouse cursor and make it true. Now let's check if we have mouse. Yes, we have mouse. We have also our palitra color, and it's good. Now we can add also the event here. So let's set vector parameter on materials. Here will be good because in our mesh we have 2 materials, so it'll be better like this. And parameter name we need just to copy here and paste to have the same right name without issues. So like this it will be fine. Let's add here a little bit more features to know and change color. So let's start here from our image and get slot as canvas, and let's get size of it. Let's split it and get viewport scale. Copy and paste at the bottom one also. Now we need to make a multiplication and just copy and paste it here also. From that we need to divide it by 2 and copy paste it. After that we need to make vector 2D. Just pass also here. So let's get mouse position, but for it we need to take a player controller. Get mouse position. And make vector 2D also here. You can improve it here if you don't like the mouse position or you want to add something unique. And now let's make minus here, but also from this we need to make vector 2D, add multiply, and let's minus. It depends on the vector length. Normalize 2D. Here we need to add and plus and here let's break vector and call add and 2 degrees and connect here also. Now map range, clump it, and to call here minus 180 and 360 here. So from that, what do we have right now? Let's add from here minus vector to the length and map range clamp it. And so our b value should be this float. Here 1. And that all we need to call the RGB function. Like that. So from here now of the event we can get the player pawn owning. So and do not cast to have a hard references. Instead, it's the best way to use interfaces. We need to also add check those implement interface here and select our new created interface. And if we have interface in our parent object, so we can work with it and we can call change color here and pass as the color structure. We need to split it and let's pass the values RGB like that. And let's check how it works. Okay, I find where I made a mistake here. So we need to add here 1 and 1 to have. And also here I need to add plus instead of multiply. And now when we change it all, let's check how it works. You can see we can change color. Depends on our palitra.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! No! We did it! We did it!
And that's it. Hopefully it was helpful for you. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.